We are at the pool now, and we're gonna go swimming. Oh, Morgan's gonna jump. Going in the pool. We're eating lunch now. Made a sandwich with turkey and salami. They have sandwiches, and then we got grapes, goldfish, and pretzel balls. So we're gonna go out to dinner. Morgan picked an Italian restaurant, I think, but this is the outfit of the night. We got a shirt it's from Marshall's, but it's originally from American Eagle. I found it, but like I wanted it before from American Eagle, and then I found it for cheap at Marshall's. It was a bargain. And then these are also from American Eagle. And then Old Navy. We're going out to eat. This is where it is. I got a huge meatball. Morgan got penny on vodka. We're going to this gelato place for dinner. I mean, for dessert. Gelato. We're going for a walk. It's definitely gonna rain, but like, it's fine. Here's some stuff. Oh, this one says Palm Beach, Singer Island. So pretty. We're walking back. I'll probably see you guys, well, I will see you guys tomorrow, but yeah, I think tomorrow's to be another chill day and enjoy the Florida sun. Good morning, it is the next day and we're going for a walk. To the beach. My hair is very raggedy. Look how pretty this water is. It's like more clear than Bahamas because it was raining on Bahamas. Okay, going in. Oh wait, that is warm. I was expecting it to be cold and then it was warm. That's definitely gonna suck sunset swim. We should. Morgan. Oh! Like I'm on my feet right now. Really? Yeah. Oh. When the wave comes, like I can't even touch. But like it's just 2 seconds away from me. Oh, that feels so good. Oh. Salty. I know, I feel like I'm gonna get sucked out. I'm getting sucked in, out and out. Oh my god. This feels better than the pool, not gonna lie. Oh, it's like 1 second I'm like so like deep, and then the other second I'm like on my butt. I'm like stoned. What? Okay, ready? Dun 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 dun. Kayla's here too, if anyone was wondering. She just got in. Alright vlog, we're going Oh, this is so stupid. We're going out. It's kind of deep here. I'm stepping, but the waves are okay. And it's a little deep. I'm still crawling out, but luckily the current's not bad and the flags are green. I don't know if you can see the flags. Wait, where's the flag? Never mind, you can't see it, but the flag's green, which means it's safe to swim. And the current is pulling me this way, not out, which is good. Yeah. I gotta float.
I know.
Never mind. Never mind, I'm not gonna float. I need my arm. I probably look really stupid right now, but it's okay. What the heck is that on the ground? Alright. I finally got my strawberry daiquiri. And I got my pina colada. Lauren got a Diet Coke. We got some appetizers. We got our sushi rolls.
Right next.
We're going to Drive Shack. Woo! Morgan's up hitting. Retry. Redemption. Oh. It went there. Oh. 144. Ooh. Molly. Okay. Last one.
Sometimes I need that romance, sometimes I need that pole dance.
So we are going out. This is outfit of the day. This is from Shein. PacSun. You want to say yours?
This is from American Eagle and Aerie.
And my hair is currently wet in the back, but dry in the front. It's kind of weird. Grocery trip. We're having some pizza. We are currently watching Copa America. Ice cream. Halftime is 0-0. No one has got a goal yet. And yeah, no idea who will win. Argentina got a goal.